It's granny time. And we're back. I already know all this stuff. I'm an expert at granny. I'm getting out in this video. There was not going to be no part 2, part 3 to this. We're Audi 5000. The second we start, I'm doing the day 1 challenge. I want to try to get out on day 1. Watch me die in like 30 seconds. Oh, it's been a while since I played this game. Duct tape. I know where the duct tape goes. Nothing? What was that? Grandpa! Grandma! Where you guys at? Someone is right behind here, and I'm dead. I knew it! I called it. Ugh. The day 2 challenge. Okay. So we didn't last long that time. We're gonna just dart upstairs. I didn't even see Gramps. Huzzah! I forgot Grandma was right there. Grandmother, how do I get out to your house, please? Asking for a friend. Haha. You're too old to bend over and look under the bed, Grandma. What was that? That laugh, though. Woof. Just gotta shut this because Grandma doesn't understand privacy. The stun gun? This is a picnic table. Come on, guys. We could downsize a bedroom and get you a nice... No wonder you guys look like death. You're sleeping on a picnic table. Whoops. Door lock. Well, I'm trying to unlock doors. You and I are trying to accomplish 2 different things. Oh, I know that bell. That means Grandpa's asleep, but now he's awake. Now I want Grams. Come on, Grandma. Don't be so dramatic. You guys don't treat me like a human. Treat me like I'm a... I don't even know. Like you kidnapped me. Oh, wait, you did. Oh, Ranch? What the heck?
I see you.
Don't I see you like you gonna get me? The security key, please? Thank you. This is just a tutorial on how to get out of Granny, because I've already done it. And I am boss. Door handle. You know what? I'd rather take the helicopter, so I don't even need that. I'm getting out of here through helicopter, aren't I? Hand wheel. That's for the door, so I don't need that. Stop that! I swear, if that happens one more time, I will do absolutely nothing about it. Alright, first things first. The painting. Weapons key. Somewhere there's a weapon that needs a key. And somewhere there's a blonde dude that needs a weapon. Except I know where one of those things is. Actually, I know where both of those are. I know where they are. So what I need, once you open up for me, he makes the most amount of noise. Oh, hi. What'd I name him? Conroy? Conroy. Spider Baby. I named him Conroy. I'm sure he already had a name, but it probably wasn't as good as mine. Now I need the wrench to put in my stepbrother's room. You know what? I'm dropping things like they're still gone. I bet your grandma's back and she's about to get me right now. Well, she didn't get me yet. Alright, so we put this wrench down underneath here. Which gets rid of the water, therefore getting rid of the octopus. So I could go over and visit my creepy brother. Don't want to. Oh! That legit scared me. Come on, Grandma. You can go play the piano. I like to hear it. Listen to her play that. No, you don't. You are slow and an old man. Grandma, is that Beethoven? Don't sound like it. Aha, see? This is why you're my favorite, Grandpa. You're deaf and you're kind of blind. Did you fall? Grandma, is that Beethoven? Don't sound like it. My apologies for anyone saying Rylan. Acid Waterfall, I mean. Why are you talking so loud? I can barely hear the game itself. And I'd say to those people, well, because I can. Oh wait, this painting's Grandpa. Grandma, you mad at Grandpa? You let me know. Is it because he stays out all night with his buddies and he doesn't spend enough time with you? I'll be at Granny's house. Grandpa. She's not a piece of meat, Grandpa. She may sleep on a picnic table, but you need to treat her like she's family. Yeah, go in that room. Not sure why you're going in there. Will you open that crate for me since you got a crowbar? Thanks. Glass fuse, that's right. I need the shotgun first. Let's go get that. I could use this, but I prefer the shotgun 2-to-1. Where are they? Well, now I'm an armed man. Now it's even because you guys also have weapons. Oh! Ads, man, they ruined the whole gaming experience. Well, I failed the day 1 and day 2 challenge, but we're still gonna get out of here. Get up. Hold on, why do you guys wake up super quick? It takes me 12 hours. 24 hours, I don't know. It's always the next day when I get up. You guys get up in like 2.5 minutes. And you guys, I'm shooting you guys. You're just whacking me with a baseball bat and a crowbar. See, look, I just shot you. And yet you're going to get up in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. About. Not even. It's just their closest estimate to how long that would be. So now what you do with this part, boys and girls. You gotta shoot the shotgun at all these little targets. And that opens this door right here. Ugh. I've yet to find the helicopter manual, but I will find it. Boom, that's for this. Without that, you fall and die. Well, you don't die, actually, but you can. Okay, and moving on. I need the helicopter manual, which I'm pretty sure... Yep, there it is. It's in here. You can now control the helicopter. That's all it takes. Just read the manual and you know how. That's how I learned to drive. I can hear you panting from here, brother. Now that heartbeat, that means that Gramps is coming for me because I shot his child. What? You're kidding me. You're joking. Well, let's just go see what's over here, shall we? Because, just in case I need it. Take me. Normally that works. I don't know why that didn't work. Is this day 4 already? Oh, it's such a good run, too. So I need the helicopter key, which I know where it is. The duct tape, which I know where it is. And then the gasoline can. Well, if anyone could do it, a gasoline can. Pick up my stun gun since... Oh, there's Gramp. Don't even say his full name. I'm mad at him. He hit me. I don't like that. You hit me too. Suppose I deserve it since I keep shooting you guys, but you started it. Make that very clear. Now, Grandpa I saw coming up this staircase, so he should be right there, and I missed him. Oh, no, thank goodness. Move out of the way. Loser. Can't believe it's day 4. I failed the day 1 challenge instantly, like I said I would. So at least I was honest with myself. Crowbar. So, here's a question. How come Gramps can whack me with his crowbar, but I can't whack him with mine? Cutting pliers? I don't need those. I don't think so, anyway. Again, I'm trying to unlock doors, so you are not helping me. Let me make sure. Is this where the helicopter key is? I think it is. Good. Should I bring this up? Yeah, I might as well. Okay. I'm hearing footsteps. Which can only mean one thing. The Grams. That's what I've nicknamed her. Back. Pick up the stun gun. Turn around widely. No one's there. Okay. Get the duct tape. Okay. So, boys and girls, what you use the duct tape for is a little... Only an idiot would ever do this. But I'm actually gonna fly a helicopter with a rotor fixed with duct tape. Who in the world? I mean, dummies. People are so stupid sometimes. But I digress. What else would you fix it with, though? Hi, Grandma. Grandma, Can you please leave? I would appreciate that very much. You and your bald spots can skedaddle. Yep, like I said, apologize in advance. Well, actually, I didn't say this in the video, but apologize in advance for this video being 20-30 minutes long. But hey, I'm not cutting it at all. This is a tutorial on how to escape. I don't need that! Where's the gasoline can? Grandmother? I'm never gonna live that down. I can't drop this either because, well, Grandma will hear it. Where'd Grandpa go? Where's anybody, actually? Now I got my stun gun. Bring it, Grams. There you are. Grandpa fell again. Let's go find Grandpa and shoot him. We're gonna mess him up. You know, Grandpa, you'd get a lot further along in this game if you didn't announce every time you saw me. Just sneak up on me. Oh, he's sleeping! Where did that go? Oh, found it. Now you're really sleeping, sucker. Guess what? This is how we do. We're gonna kill baby Conroy.